Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is Thursday evening. We are live, and we're going to talk about some crypto. We're going to talk about some money markets. We're going to go over some news. Let me see if I can do this. Bam. All right. Bitcoin is kind of doing exactly what we've been expecting it to do. It's bouncing off of our lower trend line. There is some resistance at the bathtub, but that's okay. That's not a bad thing. I'm surprised the lower trend line had a lot of confluence, so maybe I'm not surprised. Yeah, see, it was resistance, 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 this whole area, resistance here, and now hopefully this pullback is just to test this as support, because that is what's happening. Really quick, let's take a look. Fahid, what's up? Let's take a look at the liquidation heat map. We're going to refresh this. Make sure we got some updated numbers. Yeah, see, there's not a lot below us. They might grab this at 59. Or they might even grab that. That might be out of the question, though. Yeah, see, there's 45 right there. We're definitely going up to 65 for sure. We might even go up to 61.2. So let's put those up there on the chart, 65 and 61.2. This is me speculating right now. If our bullish fractal is to be believed, then we should start seeing some upside. There's 60,005. This is a green liquidation point because the price has to go up to get there. And then what was the other one? Let's go back to the liquidation heat map. The other one was 61.2, and then we got 61.5. 61.2, and then 61.5, which is right there. Okay, so hopefully those are our price targets on the liquidation heat map. Bitcoin bathtub broke, cry. That's okay. That's okay. We busted through the bathtub. We were looking at on the fractal going all the way down to possible 57.8. The fractal target, I guess, is kind of unimportant. It's just the general shape and trajectory of the fractal that we're looking at. That's the bull fractal. The bear fractal is actually looking more and more realistic, getting down to these levels by Saturday, potentially, allegedly. Let me go shill the stream and the other chat rooms really quick. Oh, I forgot I had ping cord set up in the horse guy one. My bad. My bad. Okay. All right, yeah. So we're getting some recovery right now. I will say I'm quite proud of myself. I bought the bottom on Snack right here. I saw it kind of fucking curling down really hard right here. I was like, that's way too oversold. And I bought some, and it bounced right off of that level. I was like, whoa, that never happens. That never happens to me. So I'm pretty proud of that. But right now we're looking at resistance at 60,200. Hopefully we can break through that, get up to 60,500, get those liquidation levels. There's a lot of money to be made from the market maker there. We do have bullish div on the 4-hour right now. Let me get a trend line here. Price is going down while the RSI is going up. So there is bullish div. So that's exciting. Welcome everybody. Please hit the like button on your way in. Let me go show the live stream on Twitter really quick as well. All right. So yeah, let's go through some other charts. We got total 3 right here. Hopefully, ooh, we got pretty close to my bear target. That's kind of cool. Hopefully total 3 holds above this trend line. Let's go to higher time frames really quick. Zoom out. Yep, it almost looks like we're both flagging on that trend line. That's kind of exciting. Call me crazy, but I see a bull flag, guys. Maybe it's too. Yeah, I might be crazy. It might come down more. If it does come down more, then it will be more of a bull flag. Yeah, maybe that. We'll have to see where this wick closes on the daily, and if we get some more. Honestly, I hate to say it, but we might just kind of chop and like fill this whole piece right here with just solid candles for the next couple of days. But we'll see. Let's go back to lower time frames. Go to the 4-hour. I like the 4-hour. When I first got into crypto, I would only ever look at the 4-hour, and I was like a genius at trading. And then I started doing 15-minute, and I was okay with the 15-minute. My win lose ratio was definitely awful on the 15-minute though, compared to my 4-hour trades. Recently started looking at the 4-hour again when I started streaming, so it is what it is. Let's look at ETH. I really like ETH as of late, but I don't know if you guys see it. I do see a big head and shoulders right here. So let's look at the target for that, because it's definitely an ugly target. I'm not gonna fill the whole area. Yeah, see, if it does break down, it might go right back down and hit this lower trend line like it has been. Uh-oh. I'll leave that there. We'll see if that plays out. Let me go to the 1 day. Let's see what this thick... Okay, this thick blue line is a more macro trend. So maybe we'll find support there. Maybe we wick below. We haven't wicked below yet, though. But sometimes that does happen. So we'll see. We'll see what we get. Index. Yo, here to smash the like. Appreciate you, Index. Thank you for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications as well. That does quite a bit for me. We're trying to reach a 600 subscriber goal. Appreciate you. 600 sub goal. I will do a face reveal. Get a face cam. I know Clint will be happy about that. Let's look at Soul. Soul's just kind of playing around in the triangle. The triangle's a little bit ugly though on Soul. This one kind of also has a head and shoulders, but it's not as obvious, so it just might not do anything. But it's there. So yeah, that's Soul. Go to Ada. Ada also has a head and shoulders. Really deep head though. The target for that's so ugly. Like if I just go right here. Whew. 27 cents. That's nasty. All right. Let's go next. We looked at Snack already. Sui is just in a forever uptrend, man. I swear. Does look like it's kind of starting to calm down a little bit, which is good. That might have been the pullback to get in, though. We'll have to see. on the most, so I did fixed range volume profile on this move. There's not a lot of volume up here. It might just be repeating this exact same move over here. But we'll have to see how it plays out. Everyone's talking about this right now. They're saying it's going to be the next Solana. So, and there's an ecosystem. And yeah, in the top 50, I think, on Dex Screener, there are SWE plays. There's only like 3 or 4 of them, but they are there. So yeah, this might just keep going up, might come back down, touch this 1.69 level. C. Ooh, C's bouncing off this line. What is this line? Let's extend that over. Okay, so that's this peak and this peak. Okay. I do see a inverse, is that a cup and handle? It's also a janky head and shoulders. But it's not as bad looking as far as a bear target goes. I guess it would be about 50%. So maybe it is pretty bad. So yeah, C might be bouncing off this level. It might come back down a little bit further. Cass has just been kind of slumping pretty hard, honestly. Chainlink, same thing. I believe this green line is a really like long, really large macro uptrend trend line. So hopefully it stays above this line. The head and shoulders might be a fake out. Like they might be trying to trap some shorts here. Polkadot, like I said already before, every time I look at it, it's quite depressing to look at. Doge. Doge is kind of funny looking. See, we got all this price action. I believe this was from the Elon tweets back here. So it did all this, and then it came right back down and ate all that up. I wonder if Elon just bought like a good chunk and then tweeted about it and sold it all. I mean, that would be the best way. Like, he's got so much money. If he just had like 100 grand to play with in crypto, he would probably never have to work a day in his life again. He could just tweet about random projects and then they would blow up. Polygon. Ooh, this is falling below its trend. There might be a short opportunity here for Polygon. Near's got the green trend line down here, so it's got some room to go down. If it does, that's okay. Chili's has been crazy, man. They're holding this line. They're holding above this line. This might be the breakout for Chili's. We'll have to see how it plays out, but it looks great. What if it's just doing a bigger a bigger range would be crazy. PHB, great trades right here. All on these volume ranges. CFX, we'll have to see how that plays out. DXY is pumpy, which kind of sucks. Hopefully this gets some dumpage. It does look like it's doing a W, though. That's no good, guys. It's good for, like, the economy, I suppose. Okay, so let's see. I can probably close this. Silver. Silver looks fine. So it looks like it might start to go up again. That's kind of cool. NASDAQ chilling out a little bit. S&P. So this is the ass fractal. It's called the ass fractal because I pulled it out of my ass and I digitized it with technology that is not currently available to the public. The ass fractal on the S&P looks amazing. looking good. Number go up. Geez, look at this. 31% from a year ago. 21% year to date. S&P is doing great. That's what we like to see. Hopefully Bitcoin gets the memo, catches up. Let's see. Let's go down to a super duper low time frame. Let's do the 1 minute. Let's get funky. Let's get crazy. People actually trade the 1 minute. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go do something really quick. Give me 2 seconds. All right, I am back. Had to go grab a little bag of cookies, so I got some snacks. We're probably gonna be in for a long one tonight. Have a little bit of fun. I got my drinks, I got my snack. Ready to go. Maybe we'll play some video games or something. We got about 58 minutes until the daily close. Let's go back to 4 hour. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, 4 hour doesn't look awful. I'm not mad at it. Let's go to some news, guys. We got a decent chunk of news. Right here. This one's probably my favorite, honestly. SEC commissioner confesses its crypto approach has fueled disaster for the whole industry. As markets have embarked into the new frontier of cryptocurrency in recent years, the top federal agency that oversees financial services is admitting its crypto approach has been wrong. I think our policies and our approach over the last several years have been just really a disaster for the whole industry, Mark Uyeda, Commissioner of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, said on Wednesday on Mornings with Maria. We have been sending this policy through enforcement. We've done nothing to provide guidance on it, he continued, and as a result, this has been achieved by the courts. And different courts have ruled different ways. On Tuesday, Crypto.com filed a lawsuit against the SEC, alleging they have overstepped their jurisdiction by regulating the cryptocurrency industry. Hell yeah. Reuters has reported that the crypto trading platform is following the receipt of a Wells notice, which is a formal declaration that regulator staff intend to recommend an enforcement action on the grounds that crypto tokens qualify as securities, which I thought we've already clarified like 6 times. I'm genuinely confused as to where they're going anymore. I don't even think they know what's going on. Our lawsuit contends that the SEC has unilaterally expanded its jurisdiction beyond statutory limits, and separately, that the SEC has established an unlawful rule that trades in nearly all crypto assets are security transactions, Crypto.com told the outlet. While I won't comment on the specifics of this litigation, Uyeda responded, what has gone on is part of a broader frustration with the fact that we have not provided interpretive guidance as to what you can and cannot do if you are involved in some sort of securities offering, how you register, how you get regulated as a broker-dealer, how you get registered as an exchange. Crypto.com's lawsuit comes just 4 months after competitor platform Coinbase launched a legal offensive against the SEC and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, to procure documents relating to the agency's approaches to crypto regulation. Coinbase's legal action aimed to shed light on what it describes as a deliberate and concerted effort by the SEC, FDIC, and other financial regulators to pressure banks to deny crypto firms access to the federal banking system. Ueda on Wednesday claims that the pro-crypto companies are arguing for non-material things that are not going to change the bottom line. Things that won't affect how someone values this enterprise. The commissioner expanded, and instead it seems more dressed up. Hey, we can obtain some social change because we can't get it through the Congress and legislation. Why don't we do it through the so-called independent financial regulators? When it comes to what the SEC should do differently, Ueda addressed the need to lay out some clear guidance and interpretations on what exactly falls within and falls outside of the securities law. I believe a security is very easily and well defined out, and the SEC is just trying to enforce shit that doesn't make sense. Like most of these tokens that they're going after, or like layer ones even, are not, by definition, are not securities. So they're, I don't know who advises them to start these lawsuits, but they're kind of shooting themselves in the foot every time they do one. It's ridiculous. Anyways, today the CPI and jobs data came in. The U.S. jobs report crushes expectations as economy adds 254,000 jobs. Unemployment rate falls to 4.1. I don't know what the expectation was, but this was bullish news. 254,000 payrolls in September. More additions than the 150,000 expected by economists. So that's 104,000 more than they expected, which is crazy. It fell from 4.1, or fell from 4.2 to 4.1, and added a shit ton of jobs. So that's bullish overall for the macro economy. And then the CPI data, core inflation, it was, I believe, 0.1% higher than expected, but it is down year over year. So it's, people keep saying inflation's going down, which is not true. Inflation is still going up. It's just going up at a slower rate. So we're still inflating. We're just not inflating as much. So it's bullish long term. Might be bearish short term because it was higher than expected. As of right now, jury's kind of out. We're seeing Bitcoin react live, and it's kind of in a bit of a slump, but hopefully this is just a setup for a bigger move to the upside, because we do have that bullish div on the chart, and that's on the 4-hour time frame as well. So we got that. More good news on inflation. U.S. inflation was 2.4% year over year in September. That's close to the Federal Reserve's 2% target, and it's the lowest since February of 2021. For the month of September alone, inflation rose just 0.2%. Rent continues to be the key driver of inflation. Food also had a higher than usual month. Core inflation, excluding food and energy, was 3.3%. So yeah, they're now they're doing different categories just to make it look better, but it's still there. Let's see. Let me take a look at the chat really quick, make sure. Clint said, "Sup, snoobs. Why am I being read to like a goddamn bedtime story? Bang, bang, I shot my toes off. Prepare these web pages beforehand and give us the clip notes. Put some prep time into this." I do. They're all prepared beforehand. I'm reading the TLDR for you guys. I'm not reading the whole damn thing. U.S. election outcome won't stop Bitcoin from hitting 100K. Dan Tapiro. Crypto adoption is gaining speed no matter who wins the U.S. presidential race. This is what I've been saying. I don't think it's going to matter. People just want to know, like, I think the uncertainty is the only thing that makes it rocky. So once people know, then the market's going to move. Bitcoin quarterly returns. Q4, usually green. It's only been red 3 times. So we'll have to see how that plays out. So Q4, yeah, I personally, I'd be betting on green for Q4, 1000%. Dip in trading at Binance and other major crypto exchanges confounds experts. Experts are having trouble explaining why trading is slumping at the same time that Bitcoin price rise. I don't know why it's slumping. It's probably because people are finding better ways to trade, or maybe they're just not even trading. Maybe they're just buying and holding, which is better. Clint said, "Stop moving the mouse over every word you read." That's how I read. I can use my finger, but then I'll start pointing at the screen, thinking you guys can see me pointing at the screen and what I'm pointing at, and that kind of opens up a whole a whole new can of issues. Spot market trading volume at Binance sagged 23% in September, the lowest monthly mark since November 2023. That's actually good. Other mainstream exchanges, including a bunch of them, we know all of these ones, reported month-to-month declines of 25%, 24%, 30%, 25%, and 20% respectively. Jacob Joseph, quite a name, senior research analyst at CC Data, told Cointelegraph on October 8th. According to Alex Seng, head of sales trading at OSL, a centralized trading platform, trading volumes overall the entire digital asset space were relatively muted in this past quarter. You know what? I bet it is. I bet you it's people buying and selling meme coins on DEXs. I bet you that's exactly what it is. And the exchanges are starting to hurt. They're gonna have to start giving away money again and stuff. This is I think the beginning of the promotion hype that we got last bull market, where like every sign up received like $100 and like crazy shit like that. Bath said, "Have you tried Galaxy Gas?" Bath, I've only tried Galaxy Gas at the dentist. It's literally just nitrous, cuts off the oxygen to your brain, and I love it. I absolutely love it. My mom actually works for the dentist that I go to, so whenever I go there, everybody like treats me like I'm a king. So when my mom leaves the room, they're like, "How's the nitrous? Is it good?" And I'm like, I think I need some more. And then they just crank it out. And then my mom comes in like at the end of the day, and she's like, "Oh my gosh, why is his nitrous up so high?" And I'm sitting in the chair just giggling my ass off. Let's see. Clint managed to type a few words, so that's good. He's getting a little bit faster. Everybody give Clint a hand for typing a little bit faster. We got 6 people watching. We only got 3 likes. Hit that like button, guys. I'm pretty sure I was the 3rd like just now. Yes, I did just like my own stream. Get over it. I like my stream. But yeah, dip in trading on centralized exchanges. That's kind of good. Let's get those fucking meme coin gains, guys. Over 63,000 Bitcoin were sent to exchanges in the last 72 hours. CryptoQuaint. The recent 50 basis point interest rate cut by the U.S. Federal Reserve has had a mixed impact on crypto markets. Bitcoin's price action has been negative since the start of the week, and the data shows that over 63,000 Bitcoin valued at approximately $1.83 billion was sent to crypto exchanges beginning on October 7th, 2024. According to data from CryptoQuaint, roughly 28,000 Bitcoin was sent to exchanges on October 7th, and an additional 23,500 was transferred to exchanges on October 8th, and 12,000 made their way to exchanges on October 9th. While exchange inflows do not necessarily translate into immediate selling pressure, high inflows indicate that investors may be prepared to sell in the near future. Typically, investors would not transfer large sums of digital assets from cold storage to exchange wallets unless they intend to liquidate assets. That is a run-on sentence. Holy crap. If I had to guess, guys, I would guess that those people are getting ready to convert all of those Bitcoins into alts, because alt season is on its way. You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. Next article. U.S. Agriculture Department approves blockchain-based certification system. Cattle proofs, cow NFTs. Jesus Christ. Have officially become a part of the USDA's record. Let's fucking go. I want to get a cow NFT. Decentralized cow verification service, Cattle Proofs Verified, has become the United States Department of Agriculture's first blockchain-based process verified program. Cattle Proof, a Wyoming-based, of course it's Wyoming. I bet you Charles had something to do with this, guys. I don't know why. Charles has his dick pretty deep inside the Wyoming government. Let's see. Clint said I'm a goofball. Bath said, ask if they have peach mango. They don't have any flavors, but the nose piece does have scents. And I think you can choose the scent. It's always a skin-colored nose piece, though. It's kind of creepy. Because it's like, it's made out of like silicone, so it's I always wonder if the companies that manufacture these parts for all these like doctors' offices and stuff also manufacture adult toys, because they very easily could, which would be pretty fucking funny. Anyways, yeah, USDA process verified. It's cow NFTs. That's pretty sick. We like cow NFTs. We like cows. We like NFTs. We like crypto. We like Wyoming. CPI data to drive favorable impact on Bitcoin prices, according to 21 shares. Consumer price in the US rose by 2.4% in September, above market expectations, but still in a negative trend compared to the past few years. Look at this guy. This is what I look like right now. This is literally me. I don't have a tablet, but I got my computer, I got my laptop, I got my phone. I don't have any physical notes though, not yet. Despite a slight increase in September, the cooling trajectory of the United States inflation continues to support prospects of more interest rate cuts that could set up a favorable scenario for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported on October 10th that the Consumer Price Index rose at 2.4% annual rate in September, its slowest level since February of 2021. The data is just above the expected 2.3% for the month, but still in a negative trend below August's year-over-year increase of 2.5% 2 years ago. The country's inflation rate stood at 8.2%. Wow! And peaked at 9.1% in June of 2022. Holy shit, guys. How did we survive? 12-month percentage change, Consumer Price Index, selected categories not seasonally adjusted. Choppy sideways. Bam. Look at that. Oh my gosh. How did it get that high? That's fucking crazy. A reduction in rates tends to have a favorable impact on Bitcoin by lowering borrowing costs. Consequently, we anticipate a recovery in market flows following the recent geopolitical tensions that have disrupted the financial landscape. I like that they have this in quotes, but they don't tell me who the fuck said it. Oh, I guess it's this person. Bitcoin and a broader array of crypto assets are particularly sensitive to inflation metrics, as these indicators heavily influence the Fed's monetary policy decisions, explained Lena Eldeeb. That's a cool ass name. Miss Eldeeb. Research analyst at 21 shares. I wonder what qualifications do you need to be a research analyst at 21 shares? Clint said cow NFTs. Come on, man. Real world assets. I get cow NFTs. Ha ha ha. That's pretty sick, dude. I would totally register my cow with the cow NFT company. He said one more rate cut at 25 basis points at best before year end. That's what I'm looking for, because then hopefully I can get a fucking house. We'll see how the market plays out, though. I'm half relying on a pump so that I can cash out some fucking crypto and have a nice big fat down payment. But we'll see what happens. Let's see what else. Just have fun, yo. Said yo. Guys, thank you guys for joining. We got 6 people watching. Let me refresh the stream so that I don't judge you guys for not liking the stream. Just in case you guys did and it didn't update. We do have 5 likes. We got 6 people watching. There's 1 like missing, guys. Hit that like button. Ring the bell for notifications. I appreciate you guys. Australia, Canada, and Colombia were right to pause CBDC plans. I was just going to read the title of this one because I thought it was kind of funny. They're like, let's all do a CBDC. And then everyone was like, that's kind of fucked up. And then they were like, oh yeah, let's not do a CBDC. Like they weren't all excited to be able to fucking control your money. Next, Web3 momentum accelerates at Binance Blockchain Week 2024 in Dubai. I will say, wow, look at them sexy legs. What are those janky ass shoes? I used to do this when I was a kid. I would wear the long socks and then I would roll them down so it looked like I had donuts around my ankles. Oh, that's so stupid. Okay. Usually when there's big events like this, the price does kind of take a little bit of a doo-doo. So it doesn't surprise me that Bitcoin's getting a little bit of a pullback during all of this. They're probably selling some Bitcoin so that they can fucking rent a Lambo for the freaking event. Brings together leading figures in blockchain to discuss the future of Web3 and foster innovation through keynotes, interactive sessions, and workshops. So yeah, we know all of this. It's just going to be a bunch of buzzwords and a bunch of crazy, filthy rich people, having cringy parties and like people that can't wrap up on stage. But it's fun. It's fun. People like to have fun, and we're okay with that. We like to have fun too. Next, Uniswap launches its own layer 2 Unichain, which is why if you look at Uniswap right now, Jesus, I can't type. Uniswap is pumping. Look at that. 7%, 2.4%. Uniswap is up quite significantly. I don't think anybody knew that this was coming. It's up 13%. Like, that's pretty sick. This, as much as some specific people might not want to hear, is a project from last cycle that did really well. So if you are holding on to this, it could potentially do really well, especially with the decline in DEX or in SEX trading, centralized exchange trading. This is a DEX. People are going to start using DEXs more. So this could pump. There's potential here. The app chain promises faster and cheaper transactions and cross-chain interoperability, according to Uniswap. Uniswap is the most popular decentralized exchange, has launched its own application-specific Layer 2 blockchain network Unichain developer Uniswap Labs announced on October 10th. The app chain, which is still on testnet, promises to deliver faster and cheaper transactions and enhance interoperability across blockchain networks, Uniswap said. So that's exciting. Keep an eye on that for sure. We might have to try that out on stream. And that is it for our articles. Let's take a look. Bath said rate cut with rising inflation. What could go wrong? SPX at all-time high. This is fine. Bath, let me show you really quick. I don't know if you heard earlier. We did a quick update. This is the ass fractal on the S&P 500. It's called the ass fractal because I pulled it out of my ass and I digitized it with technology that is not currently available to the public. So far, the ass fractal looks good. It looks great. If it is to be believed, we should be hitting 6,400 by February of next year. This is not financial advice. Like I said, I pulled it out of my ass. It doesn't mean anything. It's just a fucking fractal that I put on the chart. Let me send it to the back, actually. So that way our candles appear in front of it. Is that right? It's kind of hard to see. Can I make it brown? How come there's no brown on here? It's kind of messed up. You know what? That's a little bit racist, actually. That's not brown. Whatever. We'll keep it the same blue color. Fahid said like and subscribe to the stream. Bath said nice fractal, buddy. Thank you, Bath. This is the ass fractal. We've been updating on the ass fractal every single day. We like it so far. We only like the fractals when they are being followed by the chart. When they're not being followed by the chart, then we throw them away. We disown them. We never claim to have believed in them at all. That's how we do it here at JJsCrypticCorner. We also have a fractal on Bitcoin. We have a bullish fractal and a bearish fractal. Let me go to the 1 day. Yeah, we got the bathtub has been very prevalent to the chart lately. I've extended this from way back here. This is when you mentioned this area, and I mean we're in it right now, which is crazy. So this is the bull fractal that we're kind of hoping this is how it plays out. The lower, like, smaller trend line on here was resistance in several different areas, and hopefully we're flipping it into support right now, and then we're gonna blast off. Otherwise, the bearish fractal is a little bit of doom. But with the way that the candle's going right now, and still 36 minutes until the daily close, it looks like a potential let's do our doji hour. We look this up almost every single stream because I cannot remember what's what, but it looks like it's going to be a dragonfly doji, perhaps. If it closes green especially, then that could signal a reversal. But that big wick to the downside makes me a little bit excited. But yeah, this is the bearish fractal. This is the bullish fractal. We'll see what happens. We got the liquidation heat map. Let's refresh this really quick. Guys, we have a 600 subscriber goal for face reveal. So hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys for being here. Let's see, liquidations. We got this 60.25. Okay, got a little bit smaller here at 60,005. Did it? Maybe it didn't. It's at 45 mil. So we got these marked on our chart, the 61.2 and the 60,005, and I think the 61.6. No, okay, so we just have the 61.2 and the 61.5 and the 60,500, which is right here. So yeah, hopefully we can liquidate some bears. Yeah. Do we want to do? Let's do an update on our meme coins. Go to Dex Screener. I don't think it's looking good. Damn it. Somebody did the Haktoshi to a moto. Haley Welch tweeted about this stupid tweet, and I had it saved in my bookmarks, and I was gonna be like, this is probably a great meme coin. And somebody watched it. Damn. What a shame. What a shame. Get the aggregate lips click symbol on the liquidation chart. Where? Liquidation chart. What symbol? Oh, symbol? This? What does that do? Hops, what's going on? That said, we're mid-session right now. You can see burgers buying, but kimchi volume still down. Bottom two indies. Top is Coinbase Premium. Speak up, boy. Am I talking quiet? I'm sorry. I'm really far away from the mic. Let me go. I'm gonna do another paradox. Hopefully we don't rip time and space. But I'm gonna go to the live so that I can click on Bath's link. About time, Hurricane Boy. Clint said. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay. This is the crazy chart that Bath sends us. Let me bookmark this. Can I bookmark this? Yes, I can. So that's bookmarked. This, I believe, is a bunch of different currencies weighed against Bitcoin, perhaps. Pops, I have a tab open for you for the hurricane. Since you're here though, I'll go over everything really quick. Bitcoin is looking like it's gonna close with a dragonfly doji, which is bullish, but we do got to push up a little bit here. Otherwise, we're gonna be stuck in the bathtub. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame really quick. So we are getting a push up. It looks like hopefully our bull fractal is gonna be the right fractal. Otherwise, the bear fractal is gonna get kind of scary. But the candle body has turned into a wick. So far, so good. Update on the ass fractal. Ass fractal is always looking good. That's the update there. Chili's also looking really good for you, Hops. We like what we see on Chili's. But back to Bitcoin. Let me go to we're on the daily. Yep, we're good. So let me show you, Hops. I have to drive away from my apartments to get good internet on the phone. All right, let me show you. You got to get one of these, dude. You got to get one of these. Just like maybe strap it to your roof or something, but get one of these, man. And next time there's a hurricane, just fucking put all your shit in here and chill the fuck out. Like anchor down in the parking lot and just have a grand old time. This guy's video actually, if you go on YouTube, watch this guy's latest video about it. He's like fixing up the inside and he just goes fishing with his buddies on this fucking thing. It's pretty awesome. Let's see. The wife is watching the 8,456th episode of HGTV Renovations. Clint, I love those shows. I'm guilty. I'm guilty as fuck. The House Hunters one I think is hilarious. The House Hunters meme I think is my favorite. This shit right here. I'm a butterfly therapist. I'm a stay-at-home astronaut. Our budget is 3.2 million. Juggles bowling pins. Bird watches. Budget 3.69 million. It's so fucking stupid, but it's so true. It's ridiculous, man, I swear. Let's see. Hop said, I need a new system. Might develop October 17th. What are you talking about, Hops? Clint said, looks like an Oscar Mayer Wiener car. Clint, we looked at those. We looked at the Oscar Mayer Wiener mobile. That's one of my that's like one of my childhood dreams is to drive this. Because you used to be able to like win it to drive it for a year, couldn't you? It's so cool, dude. I think I've seen it like twice. It crashes all the time. Dude, fucking crazy. Oh man. Just the fact that like this is a recurring topic, the Wienermobile crashing places, is fucking hilarious. This is like the most American shit I've ever seen. Like, why has it crashed so many times? Look at this. Oh my god. I don't know. This is just freaking hilarious to me. Could you imagine, like, you're, I don't know, contracted by the Wienermobile, by Oscar Mayer to drive this around and you accidentally crash it? It's like, that's so sad. I want to see what the interior looks like. I don't think I've ever seen the interior. Top heavy taking turn 2 at Talladega. A little too hot. Dude, I would like to see like all the Wienermobiles throughout the years fucking race. That would be so sick. I would pay good money to see that. Look at how cool this looks. Come on. There's like fucking command center chairs and shit. I would live in this thing, man. I swear. I swear I would live in this so fucking hard. Look at these fucking people. Absolute chads. Jeez, this picture's so tiny. I don't know. Nothing makes me quite as happy as the Wienermobile. It's just silly, man. Look at the dash. Look at the dashboard. No way. Oh my gosh. What is that? Why is there so many of them? There's an army of Wienermobiles. Oh my gosh. We got totally out of control, Fahid. We're looking at the Wienermobile. Clint brought up the Wienermobile. There's a mini one? And it's a fucking Mini Cooper, guys. We need the Wienermobile Mini Cooper. Imagine a live stream from inside the Wienermobile. Look at look at the dashboard. Or look at the the I can't even think right now. The windshield. Look at the windshield. Oh man. This thing's so freaking cool. Pop said there's a hot dog shop in the area near Busch Gardens called Mel's Hot Dogs. He had one of those parked in front. He recently sold business, so I don't know if he's still open. I believe you can find where they're located, and I think, I could be wrong, I think you can like pay them to park at your business. Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. Get involved. Where is it? Where's that wiener? Look at all the Wienermobiles. Come on. I've done extensive research on this. This one is probably really close to Clint's house. It's just northeast of Cincinnati. Let's see if there's any by Bath. Bath's got a couple of them near Charlotte. Hoff's. Uh-oh. Hoff's, unfortunately, I'm sorry, there are no Wienermobiles in Florida. What about Canada? No, there's no Wienermobiles in Canada either. Damn it, guys. What have we done? We failed as a nation. We failed as a planet. There's one in Denver for Drew. Hoff said well, it wasn't exactly that one. It's like a Volkswagen Bug that had a wiener on it. That place had the best hot dogs ever. He was there a long time. I think he sold and somebody else is running it. Hoffs, I literally went on a hunt to find hot dogs from my childhood. And they had like a natural casing, so when you bit into it, there was like a snap. And it was so good. And I bought like every brand hot dog that was available, and I finally found it. They're Kowalski Skinless Franks, and it's the fancy one. If you find these in the store, buy them. They are the greatest hot dogs I've ever eaten in my entire life. They're so good. Clint said, I'm sitting on some PLTR profits. Need a good DCA entry earlier next week unless Bitcoin shits tomorrow or this weekend. Let's see. Good entry for Bitcoin with your PLTR profits. Honestly, if you want to, I would chill until Sunday. Sunday is usually the dumpy day. This is not financial advice. Don't listen to me. But if we give me like 23 minutes until the daily close, because if this candle doesn't close bullish, then we're probably going down. And if you want me to give you like a bearish price entry, if I was being a pessimist, I would say wait until like the low 50s. But everyone's saying, I think 57 or 59, something like that. Which, let's see. If you go from where we're at right now, you could save 14% if you wait for us to go that low. If you want to play it safe, if it does start to go down, I would wait for like a mid-level, like 56. If it hits 56, I would probably buy. I don't see it going below this trend line unless something crazy happens. Because I still think that we have yet to see like the real bull market. And if you look on the really high time frame, this just looks like a big ass bull flag. And it's hugging the upper half of this bull flag. So on the monthly, if it does come that low, I think it's going to wick right back up, because that's what it's been doing. All of this liquidity down here, it just keeps going back down there, scooping up that liquidity, and it's building a beautiful base for some fucking moon action. We have never spent this much time this high for this long, ever. Like back here, we got 1-2 months, and then the third month it dumped. 1-2 months, third month dumped. Right now we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're on month number 8 at basically all-time highs. And Bitcoin could care less. Like the bearish level right now is like 52 to 60K. That's fucking huge. Clint said might ladder down some limit buy orders around 57.5 and below. That's a good idea. Off said 55.2 is a line in the sand. Clint said, and just let them ride. If they hit, great. If not, big deal. I think you said that wrong. If not, no big deal. Let's go back to the 4-hour. Yeah, it's looking good. I think laddering down some limits is a good idea. I think that's a really good idea. That way, and you know, it's kind of like a set it and forget it. And like you said, if they don't hit, then you know you can just buy where it's at, or wait a little bit longer, see what happens. That's probably the good compromise though. The Heat said when FOMO memes. We were looking at memes. Let's go check back on our memes. We got Hatoshi Tuamoto. I wish I could buy this, but I don't have any spare funds until tomorrow. Okay, let's look at what we bought. We bought Dark Magician Girl, which I think is rugging. Oh no, it's starting to come back up a little bit. But I bought it at this blue line, so I'm currently sitting down 66%, I believe. which sucks, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. The liquidity's decent. The market cap, it's memeable. Hopefully it can just rip. Flying Spaghetti Monster, I believe, is doing good. Oh, no, this started to turn red as well. But this one, same thing. Market cap's low, liquidity's locked. It's desirable. I like it. I like the meme. I think it's funny. Pog, I believe, ripped. Yeah, we fucked up not buying Pog. Up 21%. So we kind of look like idiots for that one. This one I think we're gonna do some SWE buys tomorrow. When I get my money. You mean people are ruining the space. Hops. I think you're correct. I don't know if you saw the article earlier. The centralized exchanges reported like a 25% dip in trades. So I think people are literally going to dexes and trading meme coins, which is kind of funny. Looks like that was our only SWE meme. We got Mudang. Absolutely as adorable as ever. Mudang is getting another good retrace, possible entry. Whenever you see like 1 cent buys like this repeating, I believe it is a bot for volume. I could be wrong. Could be completely wrong. We got Lock-In. This one is recommended from Bath. It is still going up. $51.8 million market cap. I personally, and I believe this is actually Bath's like rule or concept, $100 million market cap is usually in the cards for memes whenever they start to blow up like this. We got Your Mom. I think we missed this one as well. Yeah, it's fizzled out since then, but it was like a day old and it blew the fuck up. I think we were looking at it like down here and we were like, yeah, no, it's not going to go anywhere, and it exploded. So expect the unexpected. Market cap still 154K. Hopefully this is what happens to Dark Magician Girl or Flying Spaghetti Monster. Used car. This was recommended by somebody random who joined the stream the other day. This thing's going up. Hell yeah. It's up 44% today. Shit. $6.5 million market cap. Liquidity. That's got 10% liquidity. That's not bad. Somebody just got $591. It's not too bad. Kekek, another Bath recommendation. I don't mind this right now. I really don't. $12 million market cap. A lot of liquidity. The Heat said, blame the SEC. Hops, memes aren't securities. Exactly. And the last one, this one is a seasonal coin, Santa. Probably going to run next month because November seems to be the month that these go crazy. October 22, November 22, December 22. This was December 23, November. Yeah. Santa on BNB. Definitely want to keep an eye on. Those are our memes. Are we going to go meme hunting today, guys? What do you think? Should we go meme hunting? Bitcoin's still kind of doing its thing. Relaxing a little bit. Nothing crazy. Total 3. Total 3 is getting close to my target. ETH. Sol. ADA. Yeah, everything looks okay right now. Liquidation heat map. Huh. Let's go meme hunting really quick. Sort by volume. We want to make sure that they're more than 1 day old. 3 days. I'm not mad at 3 days. Looks like a smiling dolphin. Ooh. $11 million market cap. Not mad at this one. I don't hate it. Some of these we've seen already. 2 months Sigma. Let's look at Sigma. Wow. This thing went crazy. Definitely missed this one. It could double up to $100 million market cap, though. Offset Sol trying to put in higher low on the 4-hour. Let's go look at Sol really quick. 4-hour. Yeah, that's what a lot of stuff is trying to do, hopefully. Bitcoin, not so much. But Bitcoin dominance is dumpy. And alts were holding up better than Bitcoin was. So that could happen. There's a lot of demand for Sol with all these memes. The 1%. This is a day old. We're not going to even look at that one. We got Mini. 5 months old. This one ran. What the hell? How are we missing all of these? I just went gas and ice hunting. Nice. Sudang. We looked at that one earlier. We got PVP, which is 3 hours old. I'm not going to touch that one. We got Trust, which is 20 hours old. Not going to touch that one either. FWOG. Let's look at that one. We looked at this one the other day. We like FWOG. $163 million market cap. Okay. All right. I see you. This picture's pretty cute. Reminds me of Gumby. Do you guys remember Gumby? Aktoshi Tuamoto. I can't believe I missed this one. I fucking literally have the memes saved on my Twitter. It's probably gonna go like crazy too. Son of a bitch. Damn, guys. It's only got a $630,000 market cap. We got Cheeseball, which is 8 days old. This one went like crazy too. What is going on? The only ones that aren't pumping like crazy are the ones that we didn't buy. 9-month-old Skibbity Toilet. This one went crazy. What the fuck? What the heck, guys? Offset, I think we take gas stations and other things for granted. When you don't have it available, it's way different feeling. Yeah, you feel pretty helpless. All the people that ride their gas station or their gas tank on E all week like me are like miserable. Mitchie, 6 months old. It's up $155 million market cap. Ooh, this one could run. Uh-oh. This might be a buy. Market cap's pretty high up there, though. But I mean, it's still pumping. Let's see. Giga Chad, 9 months old. This thing's probably gonna pump. Yeah, it's stupid. The dumb memes all go crazy. Clint said, learn to siphon with a garden hose. Christ hops. You don't need a gas station. You got 600 cars in your apartment parking lot. Clint, using the garden hose is actually old school method. They make siphons now that you can just buy at any auto parts store. So just go do that. You can get one for like $5-6. Hoffs probably has a Ryobi siphon. Vahid said Cletus must have done a lot of siphoning in his day. Clint said, haha, maybe a few times. I definitely siphoned some gas. When I was in high school, I siphoned gas quite often. From people, it was from people that I was related to though, so it was okay. They owed me. I wasn't stealing from random strangers. American coin. This one's dumb. This one's probably gonna go crazy too, because it's dumb. It's up 39%. Fuck off. Lock-in is in here. That's sick. It's cool that that's in here. What's that at? Lock-in is at $50 million market cap. It's probably gonna go crazy. Labubu? What the hell is Labubu? This is 7 days old. Stupid. People are ridiculous. Out of control. Pepe the Chad. Looks like a Pepe the Chad. Ooh, Chad Pepe is kind of sick. Why is his head so small? His head looks weird. Yeah, this thing's probably gonna go nuts. Pingu? Whoa! Pingu Land, the Cowboy Frontier. Yeah, this one's going crazy. It's a fun one. Top holder has 16%. This is the liquidity pool. Wow, that guy's sitting on a big fat stack. Donkeys have flat backs and mules have slightly curved backs. There you go, Clint. That's weird. You know, this picture's like showing the opposite of what this says. This mule definitely has a flat back and the donkey has a curved back. Which one is it? Huh. Mules are larger than donkeys. Mules have a slightly curved back, like a horse. Yeah, I think this is supposed to be a donkey and this is supposed to be a mule. Am I crazy? This thing's back is not curved at all. Pop said, we all can't be like Zero and have servants carrying us around, right? Alright, let's get back to meme coin hunting. I don't know if we're going to find any today. Federal Bitcoin Index. Wow, this spinning rat is up 20,000% in the last 24 hours. And it still only has a $285,000 market cap. Damn. Bitcoin Dragon bragging. 3 hours old. It's crazy to me what memes blow up. It's always like the most ridiculous one that you would never think it would do anything. Meme coin millionaire. This one's stupid too. We got Tomb Raider tits. No fucking way. Dang, guys. Is it a bad idea for me to sell some of my shit to buy some Tomb Raider tits? That's that our issue is we live in areas in the USA with low-end wages are unlivable in general. So servants for middle class is a ridiculous notion. We can't even fill factories without immigrants from broke places. Clint said, where is Scamderson? He's good at this meme hunting stuff. He usually gets wrecked in like 30 minutes though. That said, just buy lock in and chill. Oh my gosh. Look at how bad we're doing right now. I can't sell anything. I won't have any money left over. I want to buy Tomb Raider tits though. I gotta add this to my watch list just because it's fucking hilarious. I played the shit out of that game when I was a kid. Freak Bob. What's Freak Bob? Ooh. What the fuck? These people are out of control. You're gonna get me in trouble. Degen arc. Mentality. Cringe. I might buy some cringe. I like cringe. These fucking pictures. Denji. Doggy needs friend. Dead pigeon car battery. Frog on Sui. That's a good one. Crap. $3 million market cap already. What the hell happened? Boo. This one's kind of funny. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Sweet Jack. We looked at this one last night. It's up 16%. Damn. Guys, we're buying the wrong memes. Quaggy, Wilson, Moon, Those Who Know. Let's see. Swinyan. Oh my gosh, this one just launched. Cow Bank, Weirdo, Tadpole, Base Season, Pepe the Chad. Let's look at Weirdo. Weirdo's kind of funny. This one's probably gonna go crazy. Tadpole. This one's funny though. Yeah. Those are the memes. That's wow, we went through 100 of them. Kevin. 172K. That's probably not a bad buy. Yeah, that's probably not a bad buy at all. Don't know. Do not know, guys. I'm going to add this Haktoshi Tuamoto to our watch list. Because it's probably going to go crazy. It's up 222.79% today. If I would have fucking pulled it up yesterday. We didn't go through the memes yesterday, guys. I fucked up. Did we see Mood? Okay, we did not look at OG, but we did look at Moodang. Let's pull it up again really quick. Moodang right now is down. I don't know if you would call that an entry or just maybe wait for it to cool off some more a little bit. Let's go look at OG. OG on Binance. Yeah, it's pulling back. Okay. It did go crazy though. Like, wow. We got 2 minutes till the daily close on Bitcoin. It's looking good, guys. I really like it. This is on the 4 hour. Let me go back to the daily. Does the color matter when it comes to doji candles? Clint said this watch list is longer than Fahid's outstanding parking tickets. Clint, you should have seen my my TradingView watch list last bull market. It was just nonsense. Like the craziest coins. Mr. Anderson has arrived. What's going on, Mr. Anderson? Hit the like button on your way in. How you doing today? We got the daily close happening in 2 minutes. Everybody say hi to Mr. Anderson. One minute till the daily close. This I could be wrong. You guys tell me if I'm wrong, but I believe this is a Dragonfly Doji, which is bullish. Bullish close. Let's see if we can get something. $7.59. Let's look at the chat. Drew, what's going on, Drew? Hit the like button on your way in. Thanks for stopping by. He said he's in the shower right now. Hit the like button in the shower. Everybody hit the like button for Drew's shower. Fahid said Anderson must have a meme to look at. Anderson, let us know what meme. Clint said LOL Drew. Anderson said, Drew, what are you wearing? Obviously, he's wearing nothing. We got the daily close, guys. I think that's... Am I crazy in calling that a Dragonfly Doji? Do doji candles do anything? I don't know. It looks awfully similar to these ones that kind of didn't do nothing afterwards. It looks just like this one right here. Maybe we're probably just going to get another little stumper. We might have to stretch out the bearish fractal. Drew said, I cleaned my body. Yes, Fahid. Anderson said, I have not memed yet. I don't know what the new hot fire is right now. Anderson, I'm pretty sure it's Haktoshi Tuamoto. Haley Welch tweeted this. I literally bookmarked it yesterday. Completely forgot to say something about it today or yesterday now. It's up 226%. I fucked up. I feel like an ass. The Heat said with the same soap. You know, you did you guys know that you're not supposed to use body wash on your armpits because it has antiperspirant? So it like stops your deodorant from working. Your deodorant just kind of falls off your pits. You're supposed to just use regular soap on your pits. Clint said, no, Doji candles are a bigger scam than Hoff's Ryobi fans. Clint, I'm not going to say what I want to say, but technical analysis is speculation, and we simply offer you a glimpse into the speculative nature of technical analysis here at JJ's Crypto Corner. I do not stand by any of the moves that I point out, but we do point them out. My job is to point them out, to put them in front of your face, and for you to make a decision based on that information. Thank you for joining. Hit the like button. Ring the notification bell. Consider donating. If you guys don't want to wait for the 600 subs, you donate to the links in the description. We have Venmo, we have PayPal, we have Cashapp. We are at $60 right now out of a $500 goal for the face reveal. Otherwise, we are at 83 subscribers out of the 600 subscriber face reveal goal. Do with that information what you will. I appreciate you guys for being here and just hitting the like button. Let's look at some more memes really quick. Total 3 closed fine. Oh, Total 3 actually closed funky. That is a indecisive candle if I've ever seen one. But the lower part being bigger is better because that means that there's people buying down here. We pretty much hit my bear target for down there, honestly. I'm not mad at that. ETH closed green. That's fucking awesome. Love that. Sol. That's a Dragonfly Doji candle for sure. ADA closed green. That's a Dragonfly Doji too. Guys, we got Dragonfly Doji candles everywhere. Let's look at the chat. Drew said, oh no, I have a different face wash, conditioner, and body wash. I'm kind of bougie when it comes to my hygiene. Drew, everybody knows you're kind of bougie when it comes to everything. It's okay, we still love you. Anderson said, oh god, I saw that last night and passed. Anderson, I didn't see the coin. I saw the tweet. I saw the freaking tweet. And I saved it. And I was like, I was going to share it. I was going to share it and go, oh, this is probably going to make a great meme. And I just completely, right here. I fucking saw this tweet. I was like, oh shit, this is probably going to be a great meme. And then somebody launched it. And it exploded. And now I feel like a fucking idiot. Clint said, I have no clue what a doji candle even means. Clint, we've looked at it like 10,000 times. The fact that you don't know what it means tells me that you have not been to the streams, which makes me sad. I have to look them up every single time because I forget. I forget which ones are which. We have the gravestone doji, which is bearish. We have the long-legged doji, which signals market indecisiveness. And we have the dragonfly doji, which is bullish. I believe that they're really only relevant on higher time frames. Don't quote me on that. Mr. Anderson said it looks like plus that, Clint. Mr. Anderson's not wrong. This is saying different information. But yeah, these are the three that I'm familiar with. I still, like I said, I have to look them up every single time because I don't remember which ones are which. But basically, the candlestick is the opposite of the price direction. So, the gravestone doji having the wick above the close, that's bearish. The dragonfly having the wick below the close, that's bullish because it got bought up. And the long-legged having it above and below is just indecisive because people can't make up their fucking minds. That's what that is. Mr. Anderson said, do I double my ADA if I donate? Maybe. I don't know. I can't. I'm not legally allowed to say. We got ADA up still here. Let me get off that so I don't lose any audience members. The bull fractal might play out. The bear fractal might play out. Nobody can say for sure. But we got two fractals. We got potential doji candles. We got a liquidation up here at 60,500. We also have 61,200 and 61,500. Let's refresh the liquidation heat map to make sure that those have not gone anywhere. We got 10 people watching. Thank you guys for joining. Don't forget to hit the like button. Ring the notification bell. It helps me out a lot. It helps YouTube know that you guys want to see more content like this, and it helps spread my content to new people. So we got liquidation up here. We got 60,004. We got 60,005 and 6-ish, and then we got all the way up here at 61.2 and 61.6, which I believe is on the chart. We got 60,005, 61.2, and 61.5. So if we hit those levels, we will get some bears liquidated. Drew said, I've never actually asked, but what is in Clint's corner? I'm not sure. After my lawyers did some investigating, and the findings were inconclusive. And the file is now sealed and redacted. Clint said, not much, just a few trolling nonsense. LMAO at Anderson. Mr. Anderson said, boxed wine and regrets. That would explain the redactions. Yeah, this thing's probably gonna run. Take a look at this again. What is this? This is pink one. Oh my gosh, what have I done? Why can I move that stuff? Why does it get all jiggly when I move it? Let's see, total 3. Oh, that's my bad. My bad. Let's look at total 3. I mean, if we can break above this and get a daily close above it, that'd be cool. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour. We did get a bullish engulfing on the 4 hour. So we're looking for a positive reaction off that. Holy crap, guys. Wow. I forgot I had a trade open. It's doing really well, though. Maybe I can make some money, buy a new computer. Yeah, we went meme hunting already, Anderson. We do, though, we want to look at SWE. I think we're going to buy some SWE meme coins tomorrow. We got Cetus token, which is very similar to Cletus, which reminds me of Clint. Of course, it went crazy. Only $82 million market cap, though? We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Maybe we want to buy that tomorrow. I don't know. Let's see. Drew said I was going to guess Paul Malls and Discipline. Anderson said, haha. That could be there also. If I had to guess, I feel like Clint is a camel guy. He probably buys just whatever's cheap that week. Goes to the smoke shop and he's like, give me all your all your cigarettes that you're trying to get rid of. I don't know though. Maybe he rolls his own. I've been thinking about, because I have a pipe. I've been thinking about just buying pipe tobacco and using that as my excuse to consume nicotine again. We got SWE Man, we got Loopy. I think we looked at those. We didn't look at Cat yet. Let's look at Cat. Can't stop, won't stop thinking about SWE. Oh, we did look at this the other day. So it's pulling back. That's good. $12.2 million market cap. Wow. Look at Pigu. Pigu? I think we looked at this one too. Guys, we looked at all of these meme coins already. Splo? What's Splo? Ooh, I like the picture. This is fucking awesome. He's just in there. That's pretty funny. A good meme can go a long way, guys. Look at that. That's a 1,886% candle. Clint said Sonomas are they're cheap in Ohio. Clint, those are the ones that they have on the countertop at all the gas stations. At all the gas stations here. Like the ones where they're just like, I don't care if you steal these. We also have oh shoot, Smoker's Choice. Smoker's Choice is a big one. Drew said I was a Newport short, guys. Drew, I smoked Newport 100s actually. Hardest thing in my entire life that I ever quit is cigarettes, and I fucking miss it so much. I'm never gonna relapse. I had a dream that I started like that I smoked again, and I literally woke up, and it took me like an hour to realize that that wasn't real. But I woke up and I was just like ashamed like the whole time, and then I was like, oh shit, that didn't actually happen. Because I was trying to like remember the circumstances around it, and I was like, I didn't do those things. It was weird. Anderson said, I think Sui memes will be like Tron memes. Bullshit. Soul only. Newport 100s for me too. Anderson, the similarities between us scare me. Let's see. Bitcoin's kind of doing nothing right now. It's probably not going to do nothing until at least like a half hour. Soul green. ETH green. ADA green. Fuck yeah. Guys, I'm up 40% on my trade. What the hell? I'm gonna leave it. Let's see how fast or how far I can go. I would have loved for this to be bullish engulfing, but of course it won't. Let's see what the daily did again. Oops. Yeah, it's hard to tell where we're gonna go. We are holding the bathtub though. The first close in the bathtub. But the bearishness did stagnate once we got in there. So maybe a W? Like the fractal? Let's look at the chat again really quick. Drew said, what sweet meme I buy now? Drew, that is at your own discretion. Let's look at PHB really quick. PHB rip indeed. Hell yeah. Brilliant. Always with the volume lines, Beth. That's a great tool. Jim Kennedy said Marlboro Red. Put him down 20 years ago. Hell yeah, Jim Kennedy. Cheers to that. I think I'm a year and a half. Actually, I'm a year and a half this month. A year and a half without cigarettes. Clint said short, dumpy, go to work, but on Discord and charts all day. You two are twins, Anderson. Fahid said, waiting to FOMO can be annoying. I agree, Fahid. I agree. Jim Kennedy said, getting pruny in the bathtub. Anderson said, Bath, I miss you, baby. We all miss Bath. But that makes him all the sweeter. He's a rare guy. And we have his knowledge in the charts. And he's here in the stream, which is actually an obligation for you guys to show up. Miss you too, Andy. Now's our time. Mimi Sendies. Mimi Sendies. Mimi Sendies, guys. Get some Mimi Sendies in the chat. Let's see. Chili's is doing good. PHB is doing good. CFX. Even CFX is doing good. Near. Pole. Doge. Dot. Link. I don't know where we're at anymore. Cass. C and Sui. Snack fucking exploded. This literally, this green line is where I bought. I woke up this morning and I was like, oh, Snack looks like shit. And I bought, and it bounced right off of that. That's like the first time I've ever nailed a perfect bottom like that. Pretty excited about it. So hopefully, hopefully this doesn't start to shit in my face again. But I'm happy. I'm happy so far with that. We're looking good, guys. We're looking real good. Do we want to go through some memes on Twitter? Anderson said, I'll ban Franco if you come back. Still holding lock-in Kekek Mog. Mog? How do you say that? We got 11 people watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that like button. It is a requirement by law. You have to hit the like button if you're going to attend this stream. And if you would, ring the notification bell. It would help out a lot. I am going to do something weird. I'm going to suggest, instead of ringing the notification bell for all notifications, just do like some notifications, because sometimes I upload shorts at like 1 o'clock in the morning. I don't want to piss you guys off. So I'm trying to be honest. Let's refresh the liquidation heat map again really quick, just in case some things have changed. Yeah, no, there's a lot of liquidity to the upside. And it's pretty close. We're at 60K. They only got to send Bitcoin up 2K to liquidate some fuckers. It's looking good. Splo. Dang. You know what would probably do really good? Sploosh from holes. Remember the Zeros like survives out in the desert. Ooh, that's probably so yummy. Spiced peaches and onions. Damn. This is such a good movie. Kind of blows my mind. That's going to be the movie recommendation tonight, guys. Go watch Holes. It is on Disney Plus. If you listen to me say that and you go, "Ooh, that's a kids movie," grow up. It's a great movie. Anderson said, "Well, get back in there, damn it. You're probably 1/10 of the reason I'm there. LOL. If not better." Jim Kennedy said, "I can't believe I've held all my alts through the last 6 months. Either one of the smartest or dumbest things I've done." Jim Kennedy, try the last 4 years. It's been fucking miserable, man. That's not true. The last 2 years have been quite a ride. I've been thoroughly enjoying it. Let's go to the 15-minute. Bitcoin is bouncing off that purple line. Just chilling out in the bathtub. I will say I've never seen something curl up like this and continue up. I've never seen it go like this and then go. So we'll have to see how that plays out. It's probably going to pull down a little bit, maybe simmer down, and then hopefully go up. I don't know. Yeah, see right here, it kind of did a M. Maybe it'll do that. That's like max pain right there. That's gonna be my guess. I bet you that's exactly what it's gonna do. If it's gonna be bullish, I think it's just gonna go boop, 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 and then up. It's gonna take probably the entire weekend to finally get some positive price action. Jim Kennedy said, "Holes makes me nostalgic for when my kids were young. Excellent movie." Isn't it? It's such a good movie, dude. Such a good movie. Sigourney Weaver is a fucking legend. Let's see. Anderson said, "Mother." Is Mother on TradingView? I bet you it is. Yes, it is. It's on MXC. Rest in peace, MXC. I miss you. My sweet, sweet MXC. Honestly, it does look really good. So far, I actually thoroughly enjoy Iggy Azalea because she has not abandoned this project. She's not a fucking rugging asshole cocksucker. What does this say, though? Mother community defends the meme coin. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe she did rug it. Let's take a look. No, what the fuck? This looks great! You know shit's bad when something can be down 66. Yeah, no, it's I can't even make the joke. The joke doesn't make sense. This looks great. I love this. Let's see. Anderson, Mother, not a bad spot. Drew said we have to hit max pain. Clint said, "Can the stream be mother free?" I can't. Anderson. Just shill that in Hoff's Discord. God, here we go. Another Discord fork? I don't mind it, Clint. Honestly, it doesn't look awful at all. It's very... It hasn't rugged. And it's getting a lot more volatility right now. I don't know. I'm a fan. Forgive me. Let's go back to Bitcoin though. Bitcoin for the boomer. We gotta make everybody happy. It's okay. Well, one thing we will not discuss in this chat is, or in in this stream, is politics, because I could give a shit less about politics, guys. Yeah, that's definitely a Dragonfly doji. We hit my bear target. We kind of wicked right out of it. Let's go back to the 4-hour. What do you guys think? Everybody sound off in the chat. Do you guys think short term, like the next 3-4 days, do you think we're gonna be up or down from the current price? 4-hour, we got bullish div on the 4-hour, which is, I think that's a big deal. Price went down, RSI is going up. That's bullish div. We like to see bullish div. Bat said, forks don't work. Weird crowd, to be honest. Too personal, not free enough to share ideas. Bad for speculation, really. Yeah, it happens. Drew said, so build chain on chain? Jim Kennedy said, Niners picked off Geno. Jim Kennedy, I don't know if you saw, I beat Hoffs in fantasy last weekend. I've had like the worst performing team ever, and I still beat him. I'm also a complete amateur. I don't know anything about football at all, and I've managed to beat the guy who started the league. That's pretty funny. But I'm not allowed to brag because he just went through a hurricane. He got like, his parking lot got a little bit wet. Drew said, down till up, it's simple. Anderson said, let's make a new one. And it just, okay. Let's see. Yeah, not much to talk about, honestly. We can look at memes. Let's look at some memes. Bitcoin's doing a whole lot of nothing. Let me, let's see. Okay, so let me go to where we were at before we did this. Got a lot of them. Okay, I think it was right here. This, I pulled this up because we talked about ugly cars not too long ago, and this is an ugly car, but it's so fucking cool. It just looks sick. 1969 Ford Aurora to County Squire. I would buy the fuck out of this car. What do you guys think? Next, this I thought was really cool. This art style. It's like a bunch of spooky little ghouls. And then when you zoom out, it's a crazy fucking crazy pictures. Let's read the chat really quick. Okay, let's see next. When y'all stop arguing and just start mocking each other. This was very topical. Because it's very, very Discord. This is very Discord, guys. This one was pretty cool. Best thing I've learned this week is that when squirrels fall / land, they land like superheroes. That is pretty sick. I got a pretty fun squirrel video up on my YouTube shorts. This dude, I gotta go back. I'm pretty sure that's an opium pipe. Now, I will say, as a disclaimer, no one dies in this video. But this kid, hopefully adult, takes a big ass rip off this opium pipe, and he just chills there for a minute, and he tries to stand up, and then his legs are like, "What? Nope," and then he just falls. It's pretty funny. And then he just sits there for a minute. He's like, "Oh," and then people come over and help him, and then he just gets back up, and he's fine. I thought that one was pretty funny. This one, Jersey Mike's. I had to bring this one up because of Jersey Mike's. How do you top your sub? And then they got all pissy because people were being the internet. So I thought that was kind of funny. Jersey Mike's can't even meme. Wendy's is definitely the best memer on the internet. Nobody can keep up with Wendy's, but Jersey Mike's, don't be a bitch. Want to know a real adult life hack? Don't tell anyone when you have a day off. Absolutely no one. This one's true. Super duper true. Because then they're going to try to take up your time. This one was really funny. Her. I have a daddy kink. Me. Thinking of something to impress her. Don't touch my fucking thermostat. This one got me. This one was pretty good. Introverts at a social event overstimulated and trying to figure out how to leave early. This one was funny too. I gotta make sure I'm liking these guys. Well made. Management. Don't use the laser engraver for non-work related purposes. Me. Uses laser engraver for non-work related purposes. Management. Me. Accidentally lets a swear word slip. My toddler. A new core memory. That's pretty funny. I don't remember ever hearing my parents swear when I was a kid. I'm sure they did, but it definitely wasn't no fucking core memory. I just pulled into a Dairy Queen drive-thru for a blizzard. Dude tells me they're out of Reese's. I say, no problem, not your fault. He deadass goes, that's where you're wrong. I do the ordering and I've been slacking. This one I thought was really funny. Jeff Bezos pledges to donate majority of his $124 billion to charity. And then somebody replied and said, someone got visited by 3 ghosts last night. Great movie, Christmas Carol. I believe it's a play as well. Highly recommend. Share with us the most fucked up meme you've got. I didn't steal your meme. I discovered it. This one's accurate. Might be a little politically charged, but we don't really give a shit. A Quiet Place game will include an optional microphone feature that will allow the creature to pick up on any in-real-life noise made by the player. Releasing next week on consoles and PC. Quiet Place, decent series. They're kind of overdoing it a little bit, but I'm okay with that. So, you know, if we get one good one out of every 3 or 4 movies they make, I'll be happy. This next one, I'm going to give you a warning. It's a little bit insensitive towards hurricanes. But it's a meme. It's a joke. You know, it's I joke about stuff. So don't get mad at me, guys. It's very European. Right here. Americans, when a hurricane fucking obliterates their stupid wooden house for the 9th time. I thought it was pretty fucking funny. This one was good. I'm gonna let this one play with the audio because it's necessary. Let me make sure I'm not gonna deafen you guys. Here we go. Okay, hang on. I think I have it muted on accident. All right, here we go. Here we go.
Did you guys hear about that actress who got stabbed?
No, what happened?
Reese.
With a spoon?
No, with a knife.
I mean, just that guy's face. He was so proud. He literally, he spun around and he was like, what? Oh my God. And he had to stand up. He probably got up and shook her hand. He went in for a hug. That was pretty great. Let me read the chat really quick. Let's see. My cousin's car got wrecked by a tree in Tampa yesterday. Damn, that sucks so bad. Jim Kennedy, I'm sorry to hear that. Anderson said, I gotta see about that coin. I threw a couple $100 in it. The Mina coin. Drew said Jersey Mike's blows nuts. Thank you, Drew. Thank you. I've been saying this for forever. I can't find anybody that that agrees with me. I prefer Jimmy John's. Jersey Mike's bread. And then I got an Italian sub, and it was just fucking ham. It was like 90% ham. They put like one slice of a different meat on there. And I was pissed. I was like, what the fuck is this? A ham sandwich with like cornmeal on the bread? It bugged the shit out of me, dude. It hurt. It hurt. Let's go to the next one. This one was the one HBO was wrong. I am Hatoshi Tuamoto. And then they launched the fucking meme coin. I don't even know if it was affiliated with her. But I could have fucking bought it. And I didn't. I didn't even think to look. I should have looked. As soon as I saw that, I should have went straight to Deck Screener and looked. I fucked up, guys. Next. Here, this one's crazy. This guy fucking jumps off the roof as this kid's opening the door, and he just goes straight nuts. Straight. Oh my gosh. And he flips upside down. Oh man. That poor guy. It looks like he's still smiling, though. It's going to take a minute for that to hit him. I feel bad for him, though, man. Whew. Drew said, dude, I ate Jimmy John's today, and it was way better. Had Mike's shit sub last week. Drew, this is why we're, like, best friends. Anderson said, did Haktua Coin get a reaction from that? Anderson, this was birthed after she tweeted that. Are you talking about a different Haktua? Like, is there an actual Haktua coin? Let's see. It's hard to tell with how much it's rugged. Let me zoom in a little bit. It looks like it did get a reaction. It had a 42% candle. Pretty sick. So if you have some, probably go look at it. Let's see. Anderson said, what? Mike's is so good. Drew said, it was gosh damn disgusting thing. Anderson said, yeah, but there's an older Haktua coin. Yeah. Clint said, easy Capicola sub bread expert streamer guy. I don't know what to say to you, Clint. This dude, this just made me happy because I fucking love Robin Williams, and this dude is just chilling in the fucking water.
It seems I can't make a video without people comparing me to Robin Williams, and that man brings a damn tear of joy to my eye. I love him so much, man. So I'm gonna do a little Robin impression for y'all, okay? This is Robin Williams talking to me about swimming with the alligators. Let me see now, Pappy, you swim with the alligators. If you get attacked, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's a grand adventure. I don't know, man. Go easy on me. I'm just tired, man. I practiced a long time for that, man.
So, definitely look for this guy if you're on TikTok. He's just a happy old dude swimming with alligators who can do Robin Williams impressions. And we love Robin Williams. This one was really funny. I had to play this one. This one's a good palate cleanser for some of the more fucked up memes. Look at his face. Come on. The fucking music was so perfect. Oh shit. Oh man. This one was really good. This one just reminded me because the hurricane was happening, so I was like, oh shit, what the fuck's going on here? That's fucking awesome. Those dudes just having a fucking grand old time driving straight into the fucking hurricane. Let's fucking go. That's the most American shit I've ever seen on the internet. Next clip. Everyone told me this was disgusting. Fuck you guys. It looks amazing. I want to shove it in my face hole. Taco shell. Stuffed with sauerkraut and kielbasa. Topped with onions and bacon. I believe it's actually a pierogi. Yeah, Polish style taco with pierogi taco shell. That looks fucking delicious. The kielbasa could probably be cooked a little better. But, oof, I would totally eat the fuck out of that. Let me look at the chat really quick, guys. Drew said I would take Subway Spicy Italian over Jersey Mike's any day. I agree. Anderson said, I love Mike's. Damn, good Philly steak and cheese. Anderson, I think that's the problem. Everyone always gets different subs. When you're talking about a sub place, you have to go, like, compare Italian sub to Italian sub. That's, like, the basis. Because everyone's going to have a different, like, meatball marinara, Philly steak and cheese, like all these different subs, and I'm sure every place has a different one that tastes better than the last place or whatever. But if you're just comparing, if you do the baseline comparison of Italian to Italian, Jersey Mike's is kind of trash. That's an opinion, though. You're entitled to your opinion. Let's see what else. Drew said, then it's settled. Clint will have one sandwich from each and decide for us. It's the only way. That's what I did. You guys said Jersey Mike's was amazing. I got Italian subs from both places, and I compared. Clint said, just make the sub bread soft. I don't need to chip a tooth on the crunchy-ass sub bread. Clint, you gotta have the hard bread. It should be cutting the roof of your mouth. If it's not, then it's not good bread. And that's from, I'm 50% Italian. I'm just saying. Anderson said too much stuff. I mean, they put on there what you asked for. That's not what they do if you go to Jimmy John's. You just get the damn sub that they give you. Philly said, yo. Drew said, no. Philly said, so everyone's a mod here too? Drew said, it looks horrible. Fahid said, Philly, I still didn't get my bribe. I mean cash to make you a mod. Anderson said, well, just settle on Firehouse then. Happy medium. Clint said, no, JJ. Anderson, I've had Firehouse. It's fucking delicious. I don't think we have any local Firehouse subs here, though. So I would love to compare all three of them, like side by side. This next meme was just totally unhinged and crazy. Disney out here letting Oogie Boogie roam around with his Oogie Boogussy on display.
Dude.
It's fucked up. Oh shit. Then this is just some shit me and my friends would have done as kids from watching Jackass. They specifically tell you not to repeat the stunts, and we would word for word say, I'm so and so and welcome to Jackass, and then we'd just fucking eat shit. You don't got no fucking brakes. You're going down that big ass hill, bro. And then he just smashes right into the only thing that he could run into.
Oh my god.
This one was really funny too. Nobody. Dogs with infinite food, water, and loving family when the door opens for 2 seconds. Yeah, that was pretty funny. This one's really funny. FDA issues warning about black licorice. It tastes like shit. I should make this one for Jersey Mike's. Just to prove a point to you all. Let me look at the chat really quick again. Fahid, I tried. I can't Cashapp Canada. It charges me fees. Anderson said the Firehouse brisket and cheddar. Anderson, I only get Italian subs when I go to sub places. Everything else is trash. That's not true. I've tried other subs. They're delicious, but I'm an Italian guy. Fahid said you can use tip in the Discord. Clint said, who's cackling in the background? That is my beautiful fiance. This one was really funny as well, because for some reason, ever since we started talking about fucking 6-7 foot owls and you guys didn't believe me, I've been getting nothing but owl content on my fucking Twitter feed. And this was kind of adorable. Plus, this kid looks like Harry Potter with a big ass chin. Look at him. Dude, they're fucking big ass face. He's got slippers on. It literally behaves exactly like my birds, but it's fucking huge. I don't know. I like owls. I think they're fucking cool. But that's it for our memes for the day. What do we got? You guys got any meme coins you want to look at? Anderson said, you're missing out on some awesome sandwiches, sir. Anderson, I was joking. I will say, though, I don't eat out that often. So when I do, if I'm going to a sub place specifically, I do know that I'm going to enjoy the Italian subs for sure. So a lot of times my stingy broke ass will just stick with what I know. Which is probably also why I have such strong feelings about Jersey Mike's. If I compared the other subs, like the more extravagant ones that you guys always talk about, I'm sure that I would have a different opinion, but usually when I do my comparison as a baseline, I will just go Italian to Italian. But Firehouse is probably definitely better than Jimmy John's. I think I've showed it before, but I'm going to show it again. There's a mom and pop shop here called Ventimiglia's. Clint's probably the closest. But this is like the greatest fucking sub in the world. Clint did just complain though about his dentures having a problem with the hard bread, so he probably wouldn't like this.
Old.
Alright, I'm gonna mute it. I'm just gonna go to the part with the sub, because the sub is the fucking most delicious shit you'll ever fucking have. Right here, look at that. Oof, it's so fucking good, and it's like the size of your head. Look at, he's handing him the paper. That's a... Ooh, look at them. Oh, they're so fucking yummy. I just had one the other day. My aunt brought me one as a payment for helping fix my my cousin's car. Look at that. Look at how fucking happy he is. He's got like 10 of them for his boys. Let's fucking go. Clint, he just said it's just your 1994 sound card and PC speakers, Cletus, just you. Anderson said you're missing out on some awesome sandwiches, sir. Bass said looks like Jersey Mike's. Let me, you guys, maybe I did only try it once. It does look like Jersey Mike's. Fuck. Maybe the one that I went to was a bad one. I'm willing to admit that, but see, I don't like the bread. I'll try it again. I will try it again. But if they see, this looks like it has a variety of meats on it too. The one that I got was just ham. It was just fucking ham, and it pissed me off. I hate ham. But I'm not gonna modify the sandwich, because that would be cheating. I'm gonna get the fucking sandwich, and I'm gonna eat it. I'll try it again. I will try it again. You guys give me the 600 subs. I'll do the fucking camera, and then we'll do like a fucking sub haul, and we'll compare them all and pick which one's best. And I'll get them all fresh that day. We'll make it a big thing. Let's see. Anderson said meme coin, one I've been fading, cheese ball. Every day I see it and I'm like, shit, that thing didn't rug yet. Let's go look at cheese ball. We've looked at cheese ball a couple of times. But let's look at it. It's up there on the volume. Cheese ball, cheese ball, cheese ball. Right here. Damn. Okay. Cheese ball is going fucking crazy. What is it even supposed to be? It's just a galaxy? That's pretty though. Oh my god. How do you fucking not buy this? I didn't see this picture, guys. What the fuck? Nobody told me it was a fucking wizard cat. Look at its pumping now. God damn it. Son of a bitch. It's a community takeover too. Claimed ownership on October 2nd of this year. Holy crap. Right here? Nope, that's October 5th. They claimed ownership on day one? They must not have rugged. They must have just said, dev cheated community running this to billions. Okay. Shit. We gotta buy some cheese ball, guys. What the fuck? Drew said, what meme is the next 100x gem? Anderson said, their club is good. Ham, turkey, and bacon. Drew said, my mom's beans and green chili is better than any sandwich on the planet. Bath said, if people are complaining about Jersey Mike still, inflation still needs to go up. Drew said, it was only $9, Bath. Bath said, your mom can probably make gallons of beans and chili for the cost of one Jersey Mike sandwich. That is true. Those sandwiches are fucking expensive, Bath. When I get like a giant sub from Jimmy John's, it's it's legit like $20. It's kind of crazy. But that is like 2 days worth of meals for me. Fahid said, what the hell? Haha. Anderson said, it just looks like FOMO now, right? LOL. Drew said, that is true, Bath. Anderson, I don't know. They said dev cheated, community running this to billions, and it's a fat orange wizard cat. Like, what's not to love about that? I want to put my entire life savings into this. I might sell some ADA to fucking buy this. That's a big deal for me. I mean, it's gonna fucking rug as soon as I buy it too, because the only 2 memes I bought just completely shit on my face. And I was very diligent about my meme hunting. I looked and I made sure that there was no holders that could rug, there was no snipers, the liquidity pool is locked, there's nothing sketchy, and I buy them and they fucking rug. Pisses me off. It's bullshit. The game's rigged. Drew said, I love her. Make me a big ass batch of each, lasts me days, and it's like $10. Drew, you pay your mom for food? That's kind of genius. I usually just guilt trip my mom whenever I want anything. Like, she's a dental hygienist. Everyone in the family had a Philips Sonicare toothbrush. And then it was like, I think it was Thanksgiving, and I gave her shit. She's like, I was bitching about my teeth or something. She's like, why don't you use your Sonicare? And I was like, I don't have Sonicare. I'm the only person in this entire family that doesn't have a Sonicare. And guess what I fucking got for Christmas that year? She was like, there you go. Now you have a Sonicare. I was like, that's what I fucking thought. Funny. I like fucking with my mom. It's fun. That said, I bet she doesn't complain much about inflation because she's not dependent on fast food. Drew said $75 bushel of chili. You guys are talking about chili and shit now. Let's do an experiment. I'm gonna put a line on here. Let's say if I had money right now, I would fucking ape into this right here. Let's see what it's at tomorrow. If it's up, then I'm an asshole and a retard. If it's down, then we'll probably buy some. Let's see. Do you guys got any other meme coins you want to look at? I'm gonna add Cheeseball to the watch list because that cat is fucking adorable. We like adorable fat orange wizard cats. Every time there's a fat orange wizard cat, we add it to the watch list. Every single time, guys. We should make a meme of my cat because she looks like a long Furby. Have you guys seen my cat? She's 19 years old. She has 3 legs. Her name is Tripod. And she's fucking adorable. Let's see. Where is... Do I have to fucking... How do I look at all of my shorts? Here we go. Let's see.
This is real.
This is my long Furby cat. This is her one paw. I feel like we could meme the shit out of her. Very memeable cat. Come on. Look at her. She's got a squishmallow bed. She's super comfy in her squishmallow bed. Cat's USDT on MXC. We'll take a look at that for heat. Look at her. She's just a bean. Her nickname is Bean because when she's laying down on her side, not in this video, but when she's like laying down on the floor, she is shaped like a bean. There she's gonna yawn. She's just an old kitty. We started feeding her soft food. She fell off the bed, off my daughter's loft bed, like earlier last year. And we took her to the vet, and she like chipped her bone. So I made her a special ramp to get up on the bed, and we made her a little stoop to get up onto the couch and stuff. And then we started feeding her soft food, and ever since we started feeding her soft food, she's like turned into a kitten. I don't know, it like de-aged her by like 10 years. Crazy. Fahid said cat on MXC. Let's take a look at cat on MXC. CAT USDT. Cat on MXC. Simon's cat. It's a little ruggy, but usually when they get down this low, if they have life left in them, then this might not be a bad entry. I don't hate it. Let's take a look at Bitcoin again really quick. Zoom in. Bitcoin's getting a little red, which is interesting. Let's see. Dominance is dumping. So total 3, yeah, it should be in better shape than Bitcoin. Is this the start of alt season, guys? What do you think? Popcat is $1.27 and people are buying it. Let's go look at Popcat really quick. Popcat's number 1. Numero uno for volume. Look at that. What's this thing sitting at? 1.24 billion? What's it at on CoinMarketCap, Anderson? This has potential to replace Doge, in my opinion. The cat coins are running. The cat coins are running. Everyone talked about, like, it was a joke when Doge was running. People were like, when are cat coins gonna run? It seems like that time. The cat flippening is upon us. Unfortunately for dogs, cats are more intelligent creatures, so their memes do seem to run a little bit better. People are buying it. That is true. Drew said, gosh, Colfax is scary tonight. I don't know what that is, Drew. I think it's a town. Is it a town? You know what's scary as fuck? Fucking Detroit. Going to Detroit at any point in time is terrifying. Supper, sit down with Jesus. This might be a good one. Oh, it's fucking brand new. How are people advertising their brand new coins? Do they make that much money within the 24 hours that it launches that they can just throw a fucking ad up right away? It's crazy to me. Total 3 looking good. I like everything right now, kind of. ETH, Sol, ADA. Oof, I'm so happy with Snack. Maybe it's just the high cap coins from last cycle that are doing good. Let's see if the bullish fractal plays out, guys. I'm kind of excited for this bull fractal. We're sitting in the bathtub right now. Just kind of gathering some volume. Anderson said, it is coin number 56. Very nice. What's Doge at? Let's go look at CoinMarketCap really quick. Let's see. I'm going to set a speculative move for PopCat. Is PopCat on TradingView? It's got to be, right? Yep. Bybit, Binance. Let's go to Binance. This is the perp contract. Let's go see if we can just find USDT. Okay, spot. I'm gonna click MXC every time Binance isn't available because it's just perp. So I'm gonna go MXC. Oh, actually, I can't really do anything. Why is this green down here? PopCat Doge is number 8 at 15 billion market cap, and PopCat is, what did you say, number 50? 50. Where did that go? Number 56. 1.25. So I'm going to speculate at least a 10x for PopCat. I'm going to say PopCat is going to breach the top 10. I think that's what's going to happen. I think PopCat, or maybe it's, yeah, no, if it gets up here, it's going to go crazy. I think PopCat's going to flip Dogecoin. I think PopCat is going to flip Dogecoin, and I think it's going to happen before March of 2025. So let's put that in the chart. That's my guess. Oh, Jesus. I don't know what I keep doing. Let's make this a different color. I'm going to make it, PopCat is white, so I'll make it white. Where is March? March 2025 is right here. That's my guess. I think PopCat's gonna come for Doge. And it's gonna be a way higher market cap. So oh yeah, I gotta go up here. Let's see if that happens. Let's see if that plays out. It's gonna be cool to see. Go back to Bitcoin. We are on the daily. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Oh, we got our liquidation points. Yeah, there's no reason they don't take these. This one's right here, 60,005. Let's go refresh the liquidation heat map. Anderson said that would put Sol doing a 5x as Popcat 10x. MXC is a good chart for it to see further back. Drew said, our Bryans are plastic. We come pesticides. What? Fahid said Popcat is like $1 billion. How much more could it go? Fahid, it could definitely 10x. If it flips Doge, that would be more than a 10x. Speculation is as speculation does. There's no reason why they're not going to just spike up to these and take those liquidations. Maybe I'm a dumbass, though. Bath, if you're still here, can you tell me what is the difference between pair and symbol? Because I still don't know what I'm looking at. Forgive me. Forgive my stupidity. Guys, should I leave my trade open? There is bullish div. Bullish div on everything right now. I'm loving it. Make sure you guys hit that like button. I appreciate you guys being here. You got any other meme coins for us to look at? Yeah, this will probably pull back some more. Maybe it goes up a little bit again. Double top. Chill out for a little bit. Are they on Twitter? I'll go follow them. Popcat, Solana. I mean, they're active. September 3rd, they're getting listed on OKX. That's pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Sell me this cat. Believing in something, cat keeps popping. Very nice. Very cool. We like Popcat. I think we keep going. Optimistic JJ is in full swing. I think we're going to keep going. We closed inside the bathtub. We're going to use that as support and fucking blast off. It's going to do this. It's going to go boop, poke right out of the bathtub, and then it's going to go boop, poke right out of the bathtub some more. Maybe pull back, and then keep going up. Break through this, and then break through this, and then break through this, and then it's just going to fucking moon. And then hopefully we get our Bitcoin archive targets hit, which on the daily, go over those again. We got a target in October of 80,005, November of 89,003, and December of 106,007. Bath said symbol gets the aggregate, all the pairs. Okay. Click symbol, then 12 hour. Oh, I can change the time frame? What? I clicked symbol. Ooh, okay. Very nice. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. Thank you. Thank you, Bath. Fucking been trying to zoom into that for like a month now. Oh my gosh, what a big difference. Hell yeah. Look at those liquidations right here. Right here. They're just teasing them. They're probably letting them... All the really ballsy bears are going to open up more shorts here. Like, this is going to go down a little bit. They're going to be like, oh, let me add to my short. And then it's going to go... And just fuck them. Franco said, you're too important. Please don't say gone, Bath. Please. Franco, take your soap opera elsewhere. Unless you hit the like button and ring the bell for notifications. I love you guys. But it's the internet. Relax. It's Thursday. You ain't got no job. Got shit to do. Great movie. Maybe we'll do a second movie recommendation for the people that don't want to watch Holes. Go watch Friday. Chris Tucker's a fucking genius. Those movies are funny as fuck. Everybody likes weed. If you claim that you don't like weed, you're lying. We got to get Hoff's high. I don't know if he's ever partaken in the devil's lettuce, but I feel like he would enjoy it. We at least got to get him to take like microdose an edible with me one time. I'm going down to Florida in March. Maybe I can get him. Maybe I can get him to take an edible. We're not gonna fuck him up though. We're not gonna ruin Hoffs. We're gonna keep him the same way that he is. Liquidation heat map. Bath has fucking helped us. We can see. That'll help Clint's eyes. Let's go down to the 4 hour again. Yeah, that's a butterfly doji. Let's go to the 15 minute. Let's get freaky. is what the 15-minute looks like. I'm glad I don't want anymore. Drew said, I love my internet friends. I talk to you all more than IRL people. I quit for now. Drew, I don't have any in real life friends. I only have internet friends, and I thoroughly enjoy them. Let's see. Alright, guys. Well, it's 9 p.m. We're about an hour past the daily close. Nothing's really happening, which is okay. We're okay with that. Let's go to the 4-hour again. Yeah. I like what's going on. If price action starts doing anything crazy, I'll probably jump back on. But for now, I'm gonna bid you guys farewell. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you go down next to the subscribe button, there should be a bell. Click on that bell. Click some notifications. That'll help push the channel out to other people. And yeah, we'll probably be back later. If not, then I'll see you all guys on Friday and in the Discord. Thank you guys for stopping by. Happy Thursday.